Hello, everyone. If you want to improve your English speaking skills in just 30 days, this training plan is for you. You don't need perfect grammar, a foreign accent, or expensive courses. All you need is discipline, daily practice, and confidence. Let's break this plan into 4 powerful weeks. Week 1. Build the foundation, days 1 to 7. This week is all about thinking in English and removing fear. Day 1. Speak to yourself. Start talking to yourself in English for 10 minutes. Describe what you're doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am going to the market. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Day 2. Learn daily use sentences. Learn 10 simple daily use sentences like, how are you? What are you doing? I am feeling good today. Speak them aloud 5 times each. Day 3. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 5 to 7 minutes. Talk about your name, your job, your daily routine. This builds confidence and body language. Day 4. Shadowing method. Listen to a short English video or podcast. Pause after every sentence and repeat exactly like the speaker. Focus on pronunciation, tone speed. Day 5. Basic vocabulary. Boost. Learn 15 new words and make your own sentences. Example. Word, confidence. Sentence, confidence helps me speak English better. Day 6. English thinking. Practice. Stop translating from your native language. Think directly in English. I am hungry. I need water. This is a game changer. Day 7. Weekly speaking test. Speak for 3 minutes non-stop on any topic. Your favorite food, your hobby, your future goal. Record your voice and listen carefully. Week 2. Sentence power and fluency. Days 8 to 14. This week focuses on sentence formation and flow. Day 8. Tense practice. In speaking practice, past, present, future. Example, yesterday I woke up early. Today I am practicing English. Tomorrow I will speak confidently. Day 9. Question-answer. Practice. Ask and answer your own questions. Why am I learning English? Because it will improve my career. This improves natural conversation. Day 10. Storytelling practice. Take a small incident from your life and explain it in English for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't stop. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Day 11. Daily conversation. Practice. Create simple conversations. At a shop, at the office with a friend. Speak both roles by yourself. Day 12. Pronunciation. Focus practice. Common problem sounds. The V/WR/L. Say words slowly and clearly. Day 13. Speak without pausing. Choose a topic and speak for 4 minutes continuously. No stopping, no silence. This builds fluency. Day 14. Weekly review. Listen to your old recordings. Notice. Improvement confidence speed. Week 3. Confidence and real-life speaking. Days 15 to 21. This week is about confidence, natural speaking, and real-life English. Day 15. Speak about yourself. Deeply. Speak for 5 minutes about your struggles, your dreams. Why you want to improve your English. Be honest. Real emotions improve fluency. Day 16. Opinion practice. Choose a simple topic and give your opinion. Education, social media. Success. Example. In my opinion, English is important because it connects people globally. Day 17. Picture description. Look at any picture and describe it in English for 3 to 4 minutes. Talk about what you see. What might be happening? Your imagination. This improves thinking speed. Day 18. Role play. Speaking. Imagine real situations. Job interview. Meeting a new person. Ordering food. Act it out loudly. Feel like it's real. Day 19. Error. Correction. Awareness. Speak for 5 minutes, then listen to your recording. Notice repeated mistakes, wrong sentence structure, correct them and speak again. Day 20. Speak with speed. Control. First, speak slowly and clearly. Then, speak at normal speed. Finally, speak a little faster. This builds control over fluency. Day 21. Confidence challenge. Go outside or online and speak English with a real person. Even 2 to 3 minutes is enough. Remember, confidence is more important than correctness. Week 4. Advanced fluency and mastery. Days 22 to 30. This week turns practice into habit. Day 22. Topic expansion. Take one topic and speak from different angles. Past, present, future. Example topic, English learning. Day 23, English thinking. All day. Try to think in English the whole day. Even small thoughts. I need to reply to this message. I should drink water. Day 24. Daily news. Speaking, read, or watch short English news. Explain it in your own words for 3 minutes. Day 25. Emotion-based. Speak using emotions. Happiness, anger, excitement. This makes your English sound natural. Day 26. Long speaking practice. Speak for 10 minutes continuously on one topic. No stopping, no switching language. Day 27. Mistake-free focus. Speak slowly and try to reduce mistakes. Quality over speed today. Day 28. Free conversation. Day talk about anything you like. Enjoy speaking. No pressure. Day 29. Final self-test. Speak for 7 to 10 minutes. Your English journey. What you learned. Your confidence level. Record it.